Welcome. Today, we're taking a no-nonsense, step-by-step approach to Ansible on Mac. Whether you're automating tasks like a pro or just getting started, I've got you covered. We'll start with what Ansible is, explore why it's awesome for Mac users, and then dive straight into installation, verification, and playbook writing. Buckle up. Automation is about to get fun. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. So, what is Ansible? Think of it as your trusty assistant for automation, minus the coffee breaks. It helps manage configurations and deployments efficiently with simple YAML-based playbooks. No complicated setup needed. And the best part, no pesky agents running in the background. It's clean, straightforward, and built for ease. Why Ansible? Imagine never having to repeat tedious manual tasks, ever. Ansible simplifies automation, making it easy to learn, scalable, and multi-platform friendly. Whether you're managing a small setup or enterprise-level infrastructure, it's got your back. Say goodbye to repetitive work and hello to efficiency. First things first, Homebrew. It's like the App Store for geeks. You need it to install Ansible, and setting it up is as easy as running a simple terminal command. Once installed, make sure it's working before moving ahead. Trust me, skipping verification is like baking a cake without checking if you have eggs. Now comes the fun part, getting Ansible installed. Simply run brew install Ansible and let Homebrew do its magic. It takes care of dependencies, so no manual juggling required. Once installed, make sure everything's in place before moving forward, because nothing's worse than an automation tool that refuses to automate. Time for a quick check. Running Ansible version lets you confirm installation, and a test command ensures everything works as expected. It's like test driving a car. Before you hit the road, you want to be sure the engine runs. No surprises. Ansible's architecture is simple yet powerful. You've got playbooks, inventory files, and modules making automation a breeze, all without installing agents. SSH handles communication, letting you scale operations effortlessly. Think of it as a well-organized orchestra, where every instrument plays in harmony. Now let's set up the inventory. Think of it as Ansible's guest list. Here, we define hosts, group them smartly, and specify connection details. Getting this right ensures seamless automation, because a well-prepared guest list makes hosting way smoother. Time to unleash the magic. Writing a playbook is easy. Just create a YAML file, define tasks, and execute it using Ansible. Testing ensures everything runs smoothly. And remember, debugging is just problem-solving with extra coffee. All right, folks, running Ansible playbooks on macOS is like making the perfect cup of coffee. A little prep goes a long way. First, make sure Ansible is installed and ready to go. Then, wield the terminal like a wizard and launch those playbooks. Keep an eye on pesky file permissions. They can make or break your workflow. And if errors pop up, don't panic. Debugging is just part of the magic. Ansible modules are like superheroes. They each have their own powers. First, get to know their specialties. Then, pick the right module for the job and fine-tune its parameters. Optimization is key. Why do more work when a module can handle it for you? And remember, idempotency ensures that repeated runs don't turn your system into a chaotic mess. SSH authentication is like a VIP pass to automation. Without it, you're stuck in the queue. Start by setting up SSH keys to dodge pesky password prompts. An SSH agent is your best friend for keeping things secure. Juggling multiple connections. Stay organized to avoid mix-ups. And if something refuses to connect, don't worry. Errors always have solutions. Troubleshooting Ansible is like detective work. Each issue has clues. Start by checking your syntax, because even a missing space can cause chaos. If connections fail, Double-check authentication settings. Module conflicts, version mismatches might be the culprit. And when playbooks act up, use debug logs like a magnifying glass. Think of advanced Ansible features like upgrading your toolkit. Roles keep automation neat and structured. Need extra modules? Ansible Galaxy has a treasure trove. Custom plugins let you fine-tune automation. And if security is a concern, vaults are your best bet to keep secrets safe. Ansible isn't just cool, it's practical. It shines in cloud automation, scaling up without breaking a sweat. Configuration management across multiple servers. Ansible's got your back. DevOps fans will love its CI/CD integration, and security buffs can use it to enforce compliance effortlessly. Congrats, you've made it through the Ansible adventure. We covered automation magic, troubleshooting tactics, and power-packed features. Now, dive into the documentation and connect with the community. The best way to learn. Start crafting playbooks and unleash Ansible in your own projects. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.